Hi, my name is Wendy Bryant and I am the designer behind CreoleSha. I've been designing for over 10 years now and I have a lot of workshops out, but I have a special workshop I'm fixing to do, and it's a jacket class. But this one's a little bit different than most of my workshops because most of them are already pre-recorded and you watch them on my Teachable site. With this one, we're going to do live in Facebook, okay? So most of the classes will be done live and then they will be uploaded to my Teachable, but you can watch them live in Facebook. And we're going to be doing a Q&A session, so a live Q&A. You get to ask me questions that you've been thinking about in your head. Now you get to ask them to me. So you don't want to miss that part of it. And also, we're going to have some bonuses. I'm going to teach you how to put a hood on a dress or on a jacket, teach you how to do pockets. I'm going to teach you how to expand items. So if it's too small and you need to expand it, I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to teach you a lot of patchwork techniques. So if you know me and you know my style, it's funky, it's raw, it's a little on the edge. But that's fine. If you want yours a little bit more tamed, you can do that too, no worries. So grab your friends, tell your friends about it. We're going to be doing it live in Facebook, and it will also be in my Teachable. You will be able to take these techniques and also apply them to dresses. So this dress right here, the bottom of this dress, is actually what I did on this jacket right here. So a lot of the ideas that I'm going to teach you, you'll also be able to apply to skirts and dresses and things like that. So you will be able to use those, and not just on a jacket, but on dresses. So we got a few jackets right here. So what you're going to want is a jacket either that fits you, or if it's a little bit tight, I'll show you how to expand it. And you're going to want to find some skirts. But if I was you, I would wait till you take the class, because once you take the class, then you're going to have the knowledge you need to pick out those special pieces to put this together. So I hope to see you there.